Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial for initial SSH setup for your Ubuntu 23.04, this VM is after clean installation and create a standard user, not set up root password. So now try to log in standard username is take and password my created password, login successfully, and now I am switch to root user without root password. Just sudo su, then hit enter and type your take user password, then switch to root user. This is for a special technique. And now set up root password. So command passwd, hit enter, type your root password and retype new password. Password updated successfully. Okay, fine. My IP address 10.66.10.10 and server version is Ubuntu 23.04, code name Lunar. Now I try to login SSH, option L, root 10.66.10.10. Try to using password but not access to the server. Okay, exit. Now I am going to back my virtual machine or your VPS console like Google VPS or Amazon VPS or Digital Ocean VPS or Volta VPS. You can use any provider VPS. Going to the console and check SSH etc ssh d_config. Open this folder and remove this comment section hash mark and scroll down. Going to permit root login, remove this hash mark and press I for insert word and remove this prohibit password and type yes. Now press escape and then type clone W key. Please see on the bottom of the left side clone WQ, press enter for save. Okay, now restart SSH service. This is command check status is a 4-second ago running. Now try to SSH again. Yes, now successfully log in. Because of my first time login, then password save. I am try to reset my mobile stream and then try login. Just a minute. Yes. Now try to log in SSH, option L, root 10.66.10.10. Now promote password box and type root password. You can, do you want to save password for your mobile stream? You can yes, then password save on your mobile stream. option L. This is successfully login SSH. This is for initial setup for your Ubuntu server. And now using your server from mobile extreme, you can check your folder from left pane, mnt var, all are things done.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.